Hello guys, in our lesson today we will learn PHP variables. To learn PHP variables, I will ask 4 questions. First, what is a variable? Second, how to create PHP variable. Third, what are the most important things to know about variables in PHP? 4, what are the data types which we can use to construct our variables? Let's answer question by question. First, what is a variable? A variable is just storage area. You put things into your storage area so that you can use and manipulate them in your program. Second question, how to create PHP variable? A variable starts with $sign followed by the name of the variable. A variable name must start with a letter or underscore. A variable name can't start with a number. You can't begin your variable after $sign with number. This is wrong. A variable name can only contain alphanumeric characters and underscores from A to Z, 0 to 9, and you can use underscore. Variable names are case sensitive. For example, lowercase variable age are different to uppercase variable age. Variables are assigned with the equal operator with the variable on the left hand side and the exception to be evaluated on the right. Let's take an example to see how to create PHP variable. Let's create our first variable, for example name equal John Doe. Any name, you can name it anything you want. Okay, and we will echo or print this variable to see the result in the browser. John Doe. Echo is PHP function. We will know about it in next lesson, but the important thing in this lesson, we should know how to write our variable. As you see at the screen, variable start with $sign, then we can write the name of the variable equal the value that we assign to this variable and end with semicolon. If we create other variable name, but this time will be uppercase, equal, for example, my name Mahmoud, semicolon, and nothing change in the browser because name in uppercase is different than name lowercase. This is variable and this other variable. We can echo the uppercase one. Now the result is Mahmoud. Okay, that's the meaning of case sensitive. Also, we can't start our variables with numbers. If we write this example, will cause of course error because we can't start with numbers. We can use underscore or characters. Okay. Third question, what are the most important things to know about variables in PHP? The value of variables is the value of most recent assignment. Variables can but don't need to be declared before assignment. In other language, it's very important to declare variable before assign the value to the variable. But in PHP, you don't need. Variables in PHP don't have intrinsic types. A variable doesn't know in advance whether it will be used to store a number or a string of characters. Variables used before they are assigned have default values. PHP does a good job of automatically converting types from one to another when necessary. We can convert easily between strings or integers or any PHP variable types. We will know in question 4. Last thing, it's very important to know PHP variables are built like. Let's see an example for question 3. Let's return back to our default variable name John Doe. Okay, that means PHP take most recent variable. If there are another PHP variable, for example name Mahmoud. Okay, so this echo will print name Mahmoud or John Doe. No, PHP print most recent variable, so it will be of course John Doe. Okay, but if we echo name here before second assignment, sure it will print Mahmoud then John Doe. Let's move to question 4. What are the data types which we use to construct our variables? We have 8 types: integers, doubles, billions, null, string, array, object, resources. Integer is a whole numbers without decimal point like 1, 2, 3, 4. Doubles are floating point numbers like 5.1234 or 50 like 67. Billions have only two possible values, either true or false. Null is a special type that only have one value, null. Strings are sequence of characters like PHP supports string operations, or like Mahmoud, or like John Doe we saw in the example. Arrays are named and indexed collection of other values. Objects and resources we will know more in next lesson, but as brief, objects are an instance of programmer-defined classes which can package up both other kinds of values and functions that are specific to the class. Resources are special variables that hold reference to resources external to PHP, such as database connection. So now we have answered the four questions and understand what is a variable and how to create variable and what are the most important things to know about PHP variables, and what are the data types which we use to construct our variables. And in our example we know how to create and write our first variable. So I have finished and see you next lesson.